How to find stingless beehive. Easy. Just look around and you'll find them. There are two peculiar types of stingless bees in the Philippines. 1. Tetragonula buroi, the aggressive type of stingless bees. 2. Tetragonula laviceps, the gentle type locally known as mongo. The nest of Tetragonula buroi can be found in ferns hanging in coconut trees, pili, palm, rubber, and other hardwood trees. Other bees prefer cavities in tree trunks, logs, and root systems that provide shelter and insulation for the nest. Mongo can be found in cracks along the walls and concrete fences. Go and look around. Tell me how it feels when you found one.